उसे multiple personality disorder है. Not really. Dr. Maria will tell you all about it. Today we are trying an amazing fusion. Gajar Halwa Tuile with a rubbery dip. So सबसे पहले हम रबड़ी बनाने वाले हैं. You need a heavy bottomed pan for this because we're going to cook this milk for quite some time. Now every time I make rabri at home, I always flavor it according to as much sugar as I like in my rabri. And we're going to keep one eye on our rabri, but we're going to start with our next element, which is basically of French origin. It is a wafer that we call a tuile. It's very simple to make. You need 100 grams of flour or maida, 60 grams of butter, 60 grams of castor sugar, and then 1 egg white. With a fork, you just go into the batter. Give it all a nice good stir. Just remember there should be no lumps in this because you will not get a nice smooth wafer then. So our batter is now ready for our tuile. Okay. You need a nice clean silicone sheet. You need to put a little of the batter onto the silicone sheet. Give it a nice sharp edge so that if at that point of time when I'm presenting it, I want to make the tuile stand, then it does have a good base. That's it. This is now ready. I'm going to be baking this tuile of mine at 180 degrees for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to see that it's a beautiful golden brown before I take it out. Our rabri is now ready. We need to put a few almonds into it and some pista. And just let it lightly simmer for a bit. You know, I think rabri is like the queen of all sauces for dessert in India. Now that this is nearly ready, I'm going to start with our gajar ka halwa, for which we need some ghee or clarified butter. Just don't feel shy when you're making dessert. Iske andar we're going to put gajar because that's what goes in the gajar ka halwa. We iske andar hum log thoda khoya dalne wale hain. It's all about lots and lots of love. Add a little cardamom powder, just a little pinch. Add some sugar. And to give the gajar that voluptuous richness, we're going to add a tablespoon or 2 of cream. Now we're going to give this a nice stir. It just looks amazing. All right, this is done. Then we're going to go to the oven and check our tuile. This has to be worked really quickly. So I'm going to try my best and hope that I can roll this as quickly as possible. And now we're going to just leave this to cool. Okay, so now we're going to plate this. We're going to take a little gajar ka halwa. Then I'm going to just put tuile over it, and now I'm going to stuff it some more. This is so delicious. And now we're going to just break this a bit, arrange it right here. Ingenious, I say. And now, मेरे हाथ का बनाया हुआ रबड़ी. So now while I admire my yummy looking dessert and try to stop myself from eating it, you please take a look at the recipe. This is our recap.
Gajar Halwa Tuile with Rabri. For Rabri, In a heated pan, add 1 liter buffalo milk, 60 gram sugar and simmer it on a low flame. Once the milk is reduced to 1/4 size, add 5 to 6 sliced almonds and 5 to 6 sliced pistachios. Your rabri is ready. For the tuile, in a bowl, add 100 gram refined flour, 60 gram butter, 60 gram castor sugar and 1 egg white. Mix it well to form a homogeneous batter. Spread the prepared batter on a silicone mat and cut the sides to form sharp edges. Now in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, bake for 10 minutes. Quickly roll the baked tuile using a rolling pin and your tuile is ready. For the Gajar Halwa, heat 3 tablespoon ghee in a pan, add 5 to 6 grated carrots, 2 tablespoon khoya, half teaspoon cardamom powder, 2 to 3 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoon fresh cream and cook it on a low flame. Your Gajar Halwa is ready. Now take a dollop of Gajar Halwa on the plate and place tuile on top of it. Stuff tuile with the rest of Gajar Halwa and serve with the prepared rabri. Your Gajar Halwa tuile with rabri is ready.